Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix incorrect date and time on your WhatsApp. So let's get started. So here we are, and basically you can do the same steps if you are in iOS or in your PC. And the first thing we need to do is that we're not going to open our WhatsApp app. You don't really need to open it because all we have to do is access our system settings in our device. So we're gonna go here into our settings, right there. Let's go into our settings right here, and we're gonna go for search for date and time. Right here, date. Right here, you wanna go for date and time in your system settings, and you wanna make sure that it is set timed automatically right here. Make sure that it's not manual, it's not lighting up right here, and make sure it's automatic. And also for the time zone, set automatic right there. And after that, you're pretty much all good, and you can now go back into your WhatsApp, or you can restart your phone so that you can be sure and you can see that the problem has been solved. But if not, then you can also check for your App Store or your Play Store if you're in Android. So you can go for App Store right here. Let's go for my Google Play Store right here, and you can go for WhatsApp right here, WhatsApp. And you can go for WhatsApp Messenger and make sure that you don't have the update button. So if you have the update button, you make sure that you click the update button right there. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching.